Hi everyone. Welcome back. Do you want to speak English like a native? Do you want to sound natural and confident? Today, I will teach you the best secret, shadowing. Shadowing is simple. You listen to me, and you repeat what I say immediately. Like a shadow. Don't wait for me to finish the sentence. Speak with me. This helps your brain learn the rhythm, the emotion, and the pronunciation of English. Today, we have a special story. It is a mystery. It uses simple words, but it feels like a movie. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Elena. Today is the biggest day of my life. I am at the train station. I am going to Paris. This is my first time visiting France. I am so excited. I have my passport in my hand. I have my ticket in my pocket. I check them every 5 minutes. I am so happy. I am jumping for joy. I look at the shops in the station. Everything is shining. I see a beautiful, expensive watch in a glass case. I see a giant, tasty sandwich with fresh cheese. I want to buy everything. The station is incredibly loud. Thousands of people are running with heavy suitcases. Children are laughing and screaming. It is like a dream. I sit down on a bench at platform 9. I have 30 minutes before my train arrives. I wait for my giant, fast train. I put my small blue bag on the floor, right between my feet. I check my phone to look at a map of Paris. I look at my phone for 1 second. Only 1 second. Then, I look down at my feet. My heart stops. I gasp. I rub my eyes. My bag is gone. It is totally gone. Oh no. No, no, no. This cannot be happening. Where is it? My heart is beating like a drum. Thump thump. Thump thump. It is shaking my whole body. I dive under the bench. I am crawling on the floor. Nothing. I scream and look behind the newsstand. I look inside the trash can. Nothing. I am panicking. I feel like I am in a nightmare. Excuse me. I shout to a man nearby. I am waving my arms like a crazy person. Did you see a blue bag? A beautiful blue bag? It was right here. The man doesn't even look up from his newspaper. No, he says. He is like a robot. He is so cold and busy. I feel a cold sweat on my face. My whole life is in that bag. My money is there. My house keys are there. My secret diary is there. I feel terrified. I am shaking like a leaf in the wind. Suddenly, I look toward the street. I see a woman. She has a bright red coat. She is running very fast. She is carrying a blue bag. Wait. Is that my bag? It looks exactly like my bag. Hey! Stop! Thief! Help me! I, Elena, yell at the top of my lungs. Every person in the station looks at me, but the woman doesn't stop. She jumps onto a bus. The doors slam shut. The bus moves away into the traffic. She is gone like a ghost. I sprint to the street. I am running faster than a professional athlete. I hit the signpost with my hand because I am so angry. Come on. Come on. I look left. I look right. The city is a giant maze of cars and tall buildings. So many millions of people. How can I find her? I see the bus again. It is stuck in a long line of traffic near the Grand Hotel. The bus door opens. She is getting out. She is flying toward the hotel entrance. She looks nervous. She is looking behind her. Please, stop her. She has my bag. I cry out. My voice is breaking. I am sobbing. I am a total mess. I burst into the hotel lobby. The floor is slippery and beautiful. I see the woman running out the back door. She jumps into a black taxi. The driver hits the gas. No. 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 Wait. I scream. I try to grab the door handle, but I am too slow. The taxi disappears into the dark city. It is gone. I am totally alone. I have zero money. I have no phone. I have no passport. I am trapped in the city forever. I will never see Paris. I, Elena, collapse on the cold sidewalk. I put my head in my hands. I cry a river of tears. People walk past me, but nobody helps. I feel like a total failure. My adventure is over before it started. Suddenly, a giant, heavy hand touches my shoulder. I jump 10 feet in the air. I am so startled. I think it is another thief. Are you okay, miss? Why are you crying? A deep, strong voice asks. I look up. It is a tall police officer. He has a very kind, very serious face. He has a big mustache. My bag, I sobota. I can barely speak. A woman stole my life. She took my bag. She escaped in a taxi. I am lost. The officer smiles like an angel. He hands me a tissue. Stay calm, Elena, he says. Wait. How does he know my name? Don't worry. Tell me. What does the bag look like? It is small. It is blue. It has a bright, gold zipper. And it has a small luggage tag with my name, Elena, I explain. I am talking so fast that I am out of breath. He talks into his radio. He sounds very professional. Emergency. Check the security cameras near the Grand Hotel. He shouts. Blue bag. Taxi number 505. Find that car now. We wait on the sidewalk. The seconds feel like hours. The minutes feel like years. My whole body is shaking. The radio clicks. It is loud. Officer? We have the bag. The lady realized her mistake. She brought it to the police station downtown. She is waiting there. Hurry. I sprint to the station with the officer. We go inside, and I see the woman in the red coat. She is sitting on a wooden chair. She is crying just as hard as I was. She looks totally upset and embarrassed. There she is. That is the woman. I point my finger like a movie star in a drama. The woman looks at me. Her eyes are wide and red. She looks at the bag in her lap. Then, she looks at her own feet. Oh my heavens! She screams. I am so sorry. I am a fool. I am a giant idiot. I have the same bag. Look. She points to the table next to her. There is another small blue bag. It is a twin. It is the same color. It has the same gold zipper. It looks exactly like mine. I grabbed the wrong one at the station, she says. She is shaking. I was in such a hurry for my meeting. I saw the name tag in the taxi. I saw the name Elena, and I screamed. I told the driver to go to the police immediately. I am so sorry. I grab my bag. I rip it open. My passport is there. My money is there. My diary is safe. Everything is perfect. I take a giant, deep breath. I feel like I am floating on a cloud. The heavy weight is gone from my chest. I feel light. Thank you. Thank you so much for being honest. I say to the woman. I give her a small hug. You are a hero. I say to the officer. He tips his hat and smiles. I learned a huge lesson today. Sometimes, our brains imagine the worst things. I thought she was a monster. I thought she was a criminal. But she was just a confused person. Exactly like me. She was just having a bad day. In this giant, crazy world, there are so many wonderful, kind people. You just have to breathe. You have to stay calm and look for the good. I, Elena, march back to the train station. I hold my bag with both hands. I hug it against my chest. My train is here. I hear the whistle. I am ready for Paris. I am ready for anything. Wow, what a wild story. Did you feel Elena's energy? Did you feel the total panic when the bag was gone? Now it's your turn. Go back to the start. Play it again. But this time, exaggerate everything. When I am loud, you be loud. When I cry, you make a crying face. When I am happy, show a big smile. Match my energy exactly. This is how you break your fear of speaking English. If you can act out this story, you can speak to anyone in the real world. Do this, and you will sound amazing. Thank you for watching this long adventure. If you loved Elena's trip to Paris, please smash that like button. It helps me create more stories for you. And subscribe right now so you never miss a lesson. Comment below, have you ever taken the wrong bag by mistake? Or has someone taken yours? Tell me your story in simple English. See you in the next video. Keep speaking. Keep shadowing.